Today, I'm going to be showing you the simple way to create your own AI app. Now, I have two different applications open, one Gemini, and then the second one is called Replit. Now, the Gemini portion of this is really simple. All I'm doing is asking questions. So I'm asking it, what are some $1 million app ideas that have never been used? And it gives me a list of five of them. But which one that really caught my eye is number 4. It says a closet cache, which is also an inventory AI. Now the problem is people have hundreds of dollars of clothes they don't use, but listing them on eBay or Poshmark is tedious, right? Now you got to think about it. You're taking photos, you're writing descriptions, you're measuring, you're doing all of this. But in this particular case, we want to get rid of it. Now, the particular app we're going to create is going to be a quick video, which is going to pan across your closet. The AI segments every item, identifies the brand, the model, finds the current market value, and auto generates a listing for you. So you just click sell on the ones you want to get rid of. And so it says it works because it removes the friction from the resale market. Okay. Now, after I read that, I asked AI, I said, or Gemini, I said, how would I word this prompt to prompt an AI developing software to create this? So I'm asking it, what do I tell Replit to do in order to create this idea? So down below, it gives me everything I need here. So it says copy and paste everything below. So it says it shows you the role as a senior full stack developer, so forth and so on. And so we're going to take this and we're going to drag it all the way down to the end here. Okay. So I'm going to take that. Now we're going to go to Replit. Okay. So this website is called Replit. Let me make this a little bit smaller for us here so you can see, or I'll drag it this way some so you can see this is replit.com. Now I'm gonna paste everything that Gemini told us to put in here. Okay, then I'm gonna click start and let's see what it comes up with. Now I have used this in the past for a few different things. Make this a little bit smaller so you guys can see it. There you go. So you can see it's doing this work here. It's giving step-by-step instructions. You can see down at the bottom, it says envisioning. Now it's mapping AI integrations. It's exploring back-end infrastructure. Now it says, I'll get started on closet cache. This app will let users upload. So it's confirming what it was asked to do. Make this a little bit smaller for us. Slide that down. So now it says it's discovering, so it's analyzing integration requirements, implementing necessary integrations, it's integrating chosen services. You move myself out of the way here. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Myself over here. So now you can see this thing working here. And I'm using a starter package. This is my first time logging in here in this particular account. There was a company that I worked for where we were tasked to use Replit and create some ideas for the company. But let's just see what this thing comes up with. So it's making a database now. And you can see, guys, any type of idea that you have, AI enables you to do it without you doing the work. All you have to do is tell it what to do and be very, very specific with what you want, and it can go ahead and do it for you. Okay. Now think about the money that a lot of you normally would put forth to get this done. And I understand a lot of people don't like this because maybe some people will lose a job or whatever, but platforms like this, applications like this, even helps a person like me that's a developer, right? So for me as a developer, I can use an app like this. And if I need to manually update some code, I can do that too. But if I'm not technical at all I have to do is just tell it what to do. So even after this presents whatever is going to come up with, if I'm not technical, I can say, hey, make it do this. Okay, it's not doing it the way I envision it. Make an adjustment to this part, you know, make the lettering smaller, make this second button do this, add a second button. I mean, you tell it and direct it to whatever it is you want it to do. Okay. So it's simple. Basically, you're a manager telling the application what to do. You're telling it what you want. All right, so we're still getting this thing going, and I know this was a pretty complex ask of for Replit, but let's see what it comes up with here. All right, so it's finished. It took about 7 minutes to finish this up, but you can see what it's come up with on the front end here. So you can see turn your style into capital, and then it says the AI powered inventory tool for fashion resellers. Snap a photo, get instant resale estimates, and list in seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll up on the left here to see if there's any information about logging into this thing. So it says how to test login, use the login button. So let's hit the login button for the most accurate replica of the testing. Open this URL, copy development URL. Let's log in here. So this is what it looks like. So closet cache would like to access. So we're going to do allow. And let's see what we have here. So it's asking to use the camera, which is good. Set the camera. Let me just confirm that. So, oh, here's the camera here. So basically, since I'm already using the camera in this video, we can't use that camera. So let me take myself off to see if that'll help. So take myself off there, go back to camera, see if that works there. Slide this over to get a better view here. Scan and access. Start scanning. Okay. So yeah, I think that I can't scan because it's my camera is still in use in the background. So let me just bring myself back. But yeah, you can see when you scan you scan if I come back here, it'll scan the clothes you have in video, and then it'll list it all here. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I like the overall look of it and everything here. can't see that there because my screen is kind of small, but yeah, this is pretty cool. And you can see how you can easily make your own app, guys. So let me know what you guys think. If you've got anything else you want to cover, let me know. And thank you, guys.